Hey everyone! Today I'm reviewing a breakthrough dental solution that's been getting a lot of attention lately. It's called Synadentix. If you've been struggling with gum problems, tooth sensitivity, or bad breath, this product might really surprise you. Synadentix is designed to support your oral microbiome, which is basically the community of good bacteria that keeps your mouth healthy. It works by rebuilding your oral balance and helping your body naturally repair your teeth while you sleep. The formula boosts your saliva flow, which helps wash away bad bacteria and toxins while nourishing your gums and teeth at the same time. Inside each chewable, you'll find a mix of powerful natural ingredients like guava fruit powder, hydroxyapatite, beta-glucanase, lactoferrin, and more. These are supported by real medical studies for their role in oral and dental health. What I love most is that it's natural, non-GMO, and easy to use, just a simple chewable you take daily, and people are noticing improvements not only in their teeth and gums, but even fresher breath and better oral comfort overall. They're also offering some cool free bonuses when you order 6 bottles, including guides for breath freshness, mouth breathing correction, and gum health. Plus, there's a 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's really no risk in trying it out. If you'd like to learn more or order Synadentix at a discount, the official site link is in the description. Take care of your smile. It's one of the first things people notice about you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.